Friends, what is HVAC preventive maintenance? A complete guide of HVAC preventive maintenance. Do you like this video? Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more information about HVAC electricals. Okay, it's a hot summer afternoon. You walk into your office, but instead of a cool breezy, you feel warm, humid air hitting your face. You check the thermostat, set 24 degrees Celsius, but the room feels like 34 degrees Celsius. You call the HVAC technician and he say, "Sir, the compressor is overheated, the refrigerant level is low, and filter are choked. Its preventive maintenance has been done. Its breakdown could been avoided." Sudden familiarity, yes. This is exactly why HVAC preventive maintenance is so important. Let's break it down the simple, most human way possible. Okay, friends, what is HVAC preventive maintenance? Friends, in the single words, HVAC preventive maintenance is equal to regular checkup, cleaning, testing, servicing, and turning off HVAC equipment before a breakdown happens. Just like you go for a car service every 6 months, your HVAC system also needs scheduled care. Okay, because if you do not maintain an HVAC system, it breaks down suddenly. Cooling or heating reduce, energy bills increase. Okay, components get damaged and system efficiency automatically drops. Okay, and equipment's life becomes shorter. Okay, friends, preventive maintenance is like giving your HVAC system timely medical checkup so it stays healthy and performs smoothly. Friends, why is preventive maintenance important? Friends, let's understand with a small story. Suppose you have a bike. If you never change its engine oil, never check the brakes, and never replace the air filter, what will happen, friends? One day suddenly your engine will cease. HVAC systems are exactly like that. They run for the hours every day, handle high loads, and face weather and dust without any maintenance. Compressor overheated. Without maintenance, compressor overheated, fans vibrated, coils get dirty, filters get blocked, and motors burn out, friends, which means unexpected breakdowns and hog repair cost. Okay, friends, preventive maintenance prevent these failures. Okay, friends, let's see the benefit of HVAC preventive maintenance. Do like this video, please like this video and subscribe to channels. Here's what you can, friends. First, higher system efficiency. First, clean coil plus proper refrigerant is equal to better performance. Let's see the example, friends. A dirty coil can increase the power consumption by 20 to 30%. Second is lower energy bills. Yes, the cleaner and smoother the system, the less electricity it uses. Third is longer equipment's life. Regular servicing reduce the stress on compressor, motor, pumps and fans. Okay, and fourth is reduce breakdowns. 80% of HVAC failures happen because of dirt, negligence, of lack of maintenance. Okay, fifth is better air quality. Clean filters is equal to clean air, dirty filter is equal to dust, allergens and smells. Okay, six is safety. Loose electrical connection, overheating motors or blocked drains can cause the accidents. Okay, preventive maintenance eliminates these risks. Okay, and what does HVAC preventive maintenance included? Let's see, friends. Here the real checklist used by the professionals. First, air filters. Friends, air filters clean and replacement. Dusty, dusty filters reduce airflow, increase load and reduce cooling. Okay, and professionals remove filters, clean or replace filters and check the airflow. Okay, rest pressure drops. Okay, and that's the second is coil cleaning and evaporator and condenser. Friends, dirty coil is equal to poor heat transfer. Poor heat transfer is equal to low cooling is equal to high electricity usage. Okay, cleaning includes chemical cleaning. You can clean, pressure washing and removing solid dirt and greasage. Okay, and third is refrigerant level checking. Friends, Low refrigerant is equal to low cooling. Low cooling plus compressor overheating. Okay friends, technicians check the suction and discharge pressure, check the subcooling and superheat. Okay, and top up if required. Okay, and for this electrical tightening friends, loose wire can the spark, burn or short circuit. Okay, and maintenance includes let's say the maintenance includes checking terminals, first checking terminals, second tightening breakers, third checking relays and contactors, and fab is fan and motor infection. Yes, fans create airflow. If they wobble or vibrate, lose cooling. If they wobble and vibrate, lose cooling, more noise, lose cooling, more noise, and motor damage friends. Let's see the technicians check friends. First check, you can check motor bearing, fan balancing, and you can check belt tension right or not. Okay, and motor ampere, check the motor ampere, rated ampere and motor actual ampere. And 6 is drain line clean. Yes, blockage, drain overflow and cause water leakage. Yes, cleaning ensure no fungus in drain line. Okay, no bad smells. Okay, and next is no water dripping. This is the more important thing. Okay, and 7 is thermostat testing. Yes, improper thermostat leads to warning wrong temperature sensing. Maintenance includes like you can maintenance thermostat calibration, by functional test, by sensor verification. Let's see the 8 overall performance test. Yes, technical technician check. Let's see the technician test like cooling load, you can check cooling load. Second is temperature drop, you can check temperature drop, and you can check airflow, pressure readings, and more. You can check vibration of all systems like motor, pumps, and you can check noise. Okay, let friends, let's the preventive maintenance schedule: monthly, quarterly and yearly. Here's the simple schedule. Let's see the first monthly PM. Monthly PM filter cleaning, second is drain cleaning, third is basic inspection, fourth is temperature check and electrical tightening. Okay, and second is quarterly PM. Quarterly PM everything in monthly plus coil cleaning, second is refrigerant check, third is motor greasing, and fourth is belt adjustments and change the belt, and fourth is static pressure testing. Okay, and next PM is yearly PM. Yearly PM complete deep services. Yes, chemical coil cleaning, you can deep clean, chemical coil cleaning, condenser deep washing, refrigerant leak check. Okay, and motor overall. Okay friends, and the duct cleaning included in this. Okay, let's see the performance complete performance audit. Let's see the real example. A mall AC plant was the consuming too much electricity, cooling was also poor. When the technician checked out, condenser coil were very dirty, filters were clogged, and fans were vibrating. Refrigerant level was too low. After proper preventive maintenance, cooling improved, power consumption dropped, and system run smoothly. This is the power of preventive maintenance. Okay friends, without preventive maintenance, what's gone wrong? Let's see the without preventive maintenance, what's gone wrong friends. Here water typically happens. First, water dripping everywhere. Second, bad smell from ducts. Third, hot air blowing instead of cool. Fourth, compressor overheating. Fifth, short circuit. Sixth, complete system failure. Seventh, repair these can cost 10x more than doing preventive maintenance. Okay, that's the tools used in HVAC preventive maintenance. Professional use. Let's see the which tools used for preventive maintenance. First is clamp meter, second is anemometer, third is pressure gauge, fourth is you can vacuum pump, and fifth is coil cleaner, seventh, sixth is leak detector, seven is thermometer, chemical foaming agents. Okay, and next is brush and blower friends. Why should perform HVAC? Why should perform preventive maintenance? Friends, trained professionals such as the HVAC technicians, facility management teams, AMC service providers, and OEM engineers, operation and maintenance engineers, never allow untrained people to open HVAC components. Friends, preventive maintenance for different systems like split AC. In split AC, you can filter cleaning, coil washing, fan infection. So you can do things. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.